excited to show you this beautifully restored 1975 Toyota Landcruiser. But before we get started, I thought I would take a moment to introduce myself. My name is Lindsay. I was born and raised in Iowa, and in the beginning of 2021 I decided to make the big move here to Florida and join my boyfriend who had been living here. He's also from Iowa. Jay happens to be the sales manager here at Auto House of Naples and somehow roped me into doing videos. Just kidding, kind of. But I actually am a dental hygienist full-time, so teeth, know everything about it. Cars, not so much, so bear with me, but I am excited to show you this. It's been beautifully redone, and let's just take a closer look at everything here.
Good afternoon, everybody. This is Jay with Auto House of Naples. Beautiful day here in Southwest Florida. Thought we'd take a little spin down here through the historic 5th Avenue. Today I'm driving a 1975 Landcruiser that we're going to have for sale, all restored from a great company right here in Naples, Florida. It's a 4-speed manual transmission, 4-wheel drive. They've actually converted it so it's got air conditioning, power steering. In my opinion, the thing is probably cleaner than a brand new one back in '75. Got leather seats in it, ambulance doors in the back. It's got a really kick-ass winch on the front. It's never even been used. So I'm just going to take a little spin down the road here. Then when I get back to the shop, I'll do a little walk around of it and show you a few more things on it. And hopefully you'll enjoy the video as much as I enjoy doing it. Pretty fun. Gotta love these Florida lights. If you're not from here, you'll know you'll spend about 6 to 8 minutes sitting at a stoplight in Southwest Florida. Traffic is outstanding. Alright, here we go. So like I said, if you're not from around here, you'll know this is historic downtown 5th Avenue. Pretty high-end shops down here, great places to eat. Pretty fun driving this 75 Landcruiser down here. You got all kinds of people looking at you and pointing. Not that it's a super rare vehicle, but being it's just restored, it's bright blue and sure catches people's attention. This is about normal for Florida traffic. Actually going pretty fast. Nobody's in any big hurry today. Here I was thinking I'd get you down close to the Gulf of Mexico, and probably not even going to get close. I'm not going that way. That guy's got something on his shoe. Oh, I couldn't. I was running out of things to talk about going that way, so we're going to have to run this way. But anyway, I'm going to head back to the shop. Show you some more on this when I get back. Like I said, it's a 75 Toyota Landcruiser. Super fun to drive. It's got the ambulance doors on the back that open up. Put some people back there if you want. Alrighty. Until next time. Alright, race fans, I'm back. I'm not going to be out here very long. It's hot out here today. There's a fat boy warning out, so I got to get in some air conditioning. Just give you a quick little run around this vehicle. Like I said, it's a local shop here that does these high-tech garage restorations. They do a great job on everything they do. As you can see, this one's been all redone, even down to the frame. It's got like a 5-coat powder coating frame on there. It's pretty sick, actually. Rough country winch on the front of it. It's never even been used. Works perfect. But everything on this vehicle is brand spanking new. Like I said, it's probably, I would say it's probably nicer than when it was new. Nice little latch down there. Ambulance doors open up, make it nice, jump in and out of there. Seats, obviously they'll lift up and down in there. All leather seats. Got your little extra can back there. Never have too many cans. Inside of this thing, like I said, is all redone. They did a beautiful job in this thing. 4-wheel drive, 4-speed manual. The motor's been redone. It's only got 292 miles on it, and I just put probably 8 of them on it. Nice center console they built with some storage in there. But overall, just a fun vehicle. Man, what a beautiful color too. Well, this should be hopefully up on our YouTube page here pretty quick. Depending on how bad I mess this up, I don't know if I'll do another one or not. Just trying to get you guys some heads up on what we got going on. Thanks so much. Catch you next time.